what I want to do here is to swap cells A6 and A7. What you should not do is exactly what I'm doing here. Copy pasting. I'm going to show you a simple yet powerful technique that will help you quickly swap cells and even entire columns in Excel. Whether you are a beginner or an intermediate Excel user, you'll be able to apply this method to your work and save time. So get ready to take your Excel skills to the next level. To swap cells A6 and A7, select one of the cells. In this case, I've selected cell A7. Move the mouse to the edge of the selected cell until you see this black arrow. On your keyboard, hold the Shift key and then left click on the mouse button. Now, seeing this deep green line, now move the cell up, and that's it. This method is only going to work for adjacent cells. So if I want to swap cells A5 and A7, they are not adjacent. So in that case, I may have to move it twice. So press and hold the Shift key this way, and then repeat the same method. Move it up, and that's it. So now we know how to do this for adjacent cells, and it should also work for swapping columns. Let's say I was asked to bring quantity before price. I'll first select the entire column by left clicking on the letter C. So once you see this black arrow, it means you can select that entire column. Remove the arrow to any of the sides of the selected portion. Hold down the Shift key on the keyboard, left click, and then remove it. So we see this deep green line, which means that it's going to place this current selection in between A and B, that's pushing B to the right. And there we have it. So that is how easy it is to swap cells and columns in Microsoft Excel. If you got value out of this video, please hit the subscribe button and also like the video. Thank you.